Hello everyone and welcome to a quick YouTube tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to enable or disable YouTube comments. This is actually quite simple. First I open YouTube and find myself here on my start page. Now I click on my profile picture and go to YouTube Studio. In the left bar I look for the settings, select Community in this sidebar and switch to Defaults. Here I find the settings for YouTube comments on my channel. These are currently switched on, however I can also deactivate them with a simple click or reactivate them from here. If you want to, you can also set here how comments must be moderated before they are publicly visible. I personally use the YouTube setting. Basic means that unwanted comments are held back and all others are simply published. And that's all you need to know. Just make sure if you change anything here, click Save in the end. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.